Hello everybody. It's Stephanie with Coco and Allie Boutique Crafting Page. I have these drying mats from, dish drying mats from Dollar Tree. I got the buffalo check ones. And we're going to make a pillow. So I'm just going to start by gluing 3 of the sides closed. And I'm just putting a bead of hot glue. And then I just line it up and press real hard. I have these felt Christmas trees. They're calling them ornaments from Dollar Tree. And I'm going to put, I think, 3 of these on here. Okay. So y'all, I have them laid out. Okay. So just with it laid out, I'm going to put a little bit of glue. I'm just going to lift it up and do a little bit of glue and stick it down, you know, at the time. All right, so this is what it looks like with the trees on it. Oh my gosh, is that not adorable, y'all? And then I think I'm gonna take a little bit of this, it's Waverly chalk paint, and I'm just gonna take just a little bit on my brush, not much. And try to like just dry brush a little bit on the edges of my trees. Okay. I mean, it's so light, I don't know. Yeah, you can see. You see how I just did the white on the edges to make it look a little bit flocked? And then I've got a little bit of brown, and this is just brown that I got at Dollar Tree. And I'm going to paint that on the trunks. Just a little bit of brown. Y'all, I'm not an artiste or a painter, so I just do the best I can. So I just painted the trunks brown, if y'all can see that. And now we get to stuff it with our polyfill. And then I'm just going to glue it shut. But look, isn't that cute? Cute, cute, cute.